So my room, my office has a couch. It's very much like a podcast. Guys come in, they're like, oh, I'm like, yeah, I've seen a couch, man. We want to drink. Just make it very relaxed for the guy who's like, I'm not sure what I'm walking into. My buddy told me.
I've got to say, Stephen, your this sounds like a PDD party.
You have way too much fun. Way too much fun. It makes it really, really entertaining for the patient. And I'd say it's edutainment.
Yeah.
So I'm teaching them. I'm going down their blood work, like a P&L sheet for looking at all these numbers. And I draw pictures and I make it relatable to them. And then I play little games to help empower them with knowledge instead of just like yell at them. You're not eating right. I know I'm not eating right. I know I'm not exercising. How do we motivate them to do something that's a simple, easy way? It's really making changes.
Yeah.
So to make a change, you need to identify that a change should be there. This person that I'm identifying with should not be here, but it needs to go away. Second thing, simple, easy wins. And the third, track and measure. If it doesn't get measured, it doesn't get done. Who doesn't like a before and after picture? I love looking at blood work. Look at your before, look at your after. That's a treatment. That's success.